Ready to take your space to a whole new level? These futuristic smart home furniture pieces blend style, tech, and pure convenience in ways that feel almost unreal. From shape-shifting designs to pieces that practically think for you, your home is about to feel like it jumped ahead of its time. All product links are waiting in the description. Tired of juggling drinks, snacks, and remotes while lounging on your sofa? This bamboo armrest tray keeps everything within reach, turning chaos into convenience. Made from natural bamboo, it's sturdy, stylish, and eco-friendly. Its 2-in-1 detachable design doubles as a cup holder or mini tray for snacks, phones, or even a laptop. Anti-slip pads keep it steady, fitting a wide range of sofa armrests. The Meridiano bar cabinet brings the beauty of natural balance into your home. Its intricate wood marquetry frames 2 large doors, revealing an interior perfectly designed for glasses and bottles. With a design inspired by the harmony of opposing elements, north and south, earth and water, gravity and air, this cabinet exudes magnetic character and sophistication, making it a striking centerpiece for any living or entertaining space. Transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat with the Yin-Yang hot tub and fire pit sofas. Inspired by the balance of opposites, these pieces merge soothing water and crackling fire with modern comfort, creating an inviting sanctuary for relaxation. Perfect for entertaining friends or enjoying quiet moments alone, they blend style and function seamlessly, turning your backyard, patio, or rooftop into a harmonious escape. Add a touch of natural elegance to your bathroom with this 3-light bath fixture from the Jacob's Ladder collection. Its hand-woven rattan and abaca rope layering creates a twinkling, starry effect when backlit, while the French gold finish and 70% recycled steel construction combine style with sustainability. Inspired by the delicate Jacob's Ladder plant, this handcrafted piece brings both artistry and eco-conscious design to your space. Bring the joy of gardening indoors with this 12-pod hydroponic growing system. Equipped with full-spectrum LED grow lights and adjustable height, it creates ideal conditions for herbs, vegetables, fruits, and flowers, letting you harvest fresh produce year-round. A transparent water window and silent self-circulating pump make maintenance effortless, while the compact countertop design fits any kitchen or windowsill. Turn any room into a dining space with this round foldaway table. The glossy white top and sleek metal base bring a modern touch to your home. When not in use, it folds away to save space, perfect for small apartments or multi-purpose rooms. Quick assembly means you can set it up in minutes. Stylish, practical, and space-smart, it's ready for meals, work, or game nights. Maximize every corner of your home with this wall-mounted corner shelf. Its 90-degree design makes smart use of triangular spaces, perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or living rooms. The 360-degree rotating tray keeps items clean and easily accessible, while the durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. Sleek and functional, it's a simple solution to keep your essentials organized without taking up extra floor space. Bring the calm of the ocean right into your room with this jellyfish lamp. Its soft RGB glow and gently swaying tentacles mimic real jellyfish, creating a relaxing, dreamy vibe. You can control it with a touch or the remote, choosing from multiple colors and modes. The rechargeable design lets you place it anywhere, from bedside to desk. Quiet, mesmerizing, and eye-friendly, it's a little piece of ocean magic for your space. Make your books easy to find and display with this 4-tier rotating bookshelf. The spinning design keeps every book within reach while saving floor space. Its round, modern look fits anywhere, from bedrooms to home offices or playrooms. Sturdy plastic shelves can hold books, accessories, or even small decor items. Quick to assemble, it's a simple way to add both style and organization to your room. Small spaces can still be super organized with this slim bathroom cabinet. 4 drawers, a rotating tray, and a dual tissue holder keep all your essentials within reach. The narrow design fits perfectly in tight gaps, from bathrooms to laundry rooms. Made from moisture-resistant material, it handles damp spaces without trouble. With smooth rolling wheels, you can move it anywhere without scratching your floors. Give your bedside a stylish upgrade with this S-shaped nightstand. 5 spacious drawers keep your essentials within easy reach, from bedtime reads to morning gadgets. Its unique shape fits in tight corners without taking up space, while the solid wood construction stays sturdy for years. You can place it vertically or horizontally, depending on your room. Practical, fun, and eye-catching, it turns storage into a statement piece. Give your living room an instant upgrade with this arched TV console. Its sweeping design adds style while giving you plenty of space to store media, consoles, and accessories. The smooth surfaces and hidden compartments keep everything organized and clutter-free. It's sturdy enough to hold your TV securely while blending seamlessly with your decor. Stylish, functional, and perfect for any modern living space. Why settle for a regular coffee table when you can have one that does it all? This lift-top table transforms into a dining table, office desk, or stays cozy as a coffee table. 4 hidden stools and drawers keep your books, snacks, and gadgets neatly tucked away. The tempered glass top and rounded corners make it stylish and safe. Move it anywhere with smooth rolling caster wheels and enjoy a clutter-free living space. Sometimes your sofa needs to do more than just sit there, and this folding sleeper does it all. You can use it as a cozy couch, stretch it out as a full bed, or fold it into a floor lounge for games and movies. The memory foam cushions mold to your body for cloud-like comfort, while the soft corduroy stays durable and stylish. No assembly required, just unpack and enjoy. It's the perfect space saver for any living room, dorm, or game room. Say goodbye to messy shoes with this tall, sleek storage cabinet. 6 tiers, including 3 adjustable shelves, give every pair a perfect spot, from boots to heels. The pop-up doors make grabbing your shoes fast and easy, even on busy mornings. Made from sturdy, water-resistant wood, it stays solid and stylish for years. It's a modern, elegant solution that keeps your entryway or closet looking neat and organized. Some furniture works hard, and this desk bed might be the smartest of them all. By day, you get a full workspace with plenty of room for your laptop, notes, and daily tasks. When it's time to rest, the entire setup transforms smoothly into a comfortable bed without moving a single item on the desk. You can add shelves, cabinets, or lighting to make it fit your exact needs. It's sturdy, easy to lift, and perfect for anyone trying to save space without giving anything up. Why limit your laptop to a desk when you can take it anywhere? This adjustable bed desk lets you work, eat, or watch videos comfortably from your bed, couch, or even the floor. You can change the height and tilt to find the perfect angle, while the anti-slip stopper keeps your laptop secure. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to move and store. It's like having a mini office that goes wherever you go. Here's a sofa that actually adapts to your day. You can stretch it out as a full 3-seater when you're hosting, then shrink it down to a single cozy chair when you want extra space. The transformation takes only a moment, and the frame stays sturdy no matter which size you choose. It's perfect for small rooms, studios, or anyone who loves flexible furniture. 1 piece, 2 personalities, all controlled by you. Keeping your jewelry organized has never been this fun. This rotating jewelry box spins a full 360 degrees, giving you quick access to every ring, necklace, and bracelet. The large adjustable mirror makes getting ready a breeze, letting you see exactly how everything looks. With multiple drawers, hooks, and slots, there's a perfect place for all your pieces. Elegant, protective, and easy to use. It's a gift that anyone who loves jewelry will adore. Sometimes you just want a chair that does everything for you. This smart recliner lets you lift, tilt, and adjust your perfect position with simple buttons or voice commands, so you can read, game, or relax without effort. The padding molds to your body, keeping you supported and comfy even during long sessions. You get a phone holder plus built-in ports to keep your devices powered while you unwind. Strong, soft, and easy to set up. It upgrades any room the moment you sit down. If your books always end up in messy piles, this spinning tower makes organizing feel effortless. You stack your favorites on the tiers, give it a quick turn, and everything is right at your fingertips. The vertical design saves tons of floor space while still holding a surprising number of items. Made from sturdy bamboo, it's strong enough for books, bags, or accessories. It's simple to assemble and fits perfectly in any cozy corner of your home. Some tables adapt to your life, and this one does it better than most. You start with a compact setup for a quiet meal, then unfold it panel by panel until it's ready for a full house. The solid wood build feels sturdy and grounded, whether you're working, eating, or hosting everyone you know. You can switch sizes in seconds with no tools or effort. If you need one table that fits every moment, this one delivers with ease. Imagine having a seat that feels like your own private gaming world. This pod-style chair surrounds you with soft curves and built-in speakers, so you feel every sound around you. You can stretch out, lean back, and keep the monitor right in your line of sight. The shape supports your whole body so long sessions stay comfortable. It turns any corner of your home into a personal command center built for pure fun. It's not every day you see a chair that looks like it came from another planet. This rocking armchair blends art and comfort in the coolest way. You sink into a smooth, rounded shell that gently sways with your movement. It's crafted by skilled hands and built to stand out in any room or outdoor space. If you want a piece that feels as special as it looks, this one delivers. If your workspace keeps taking over your home, this folding wall desk feels like a magic trick. You open it up, and suddenly you've got a full workstation with a built-in monitor ready to go. When you're done, you just flip it closed and your room instantly feels calm again. You can add docks, hooks, boards, and lighting to make it work exactly the way you like. It's handmade, solid, and perfect for small spaces. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.